Today I will show you that how you can easily block all the ads that are showing on your Android device. Make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all, you'll have to open up the settings of your Android device, and then you'll have to tap on Wi-Fi and internet connection. After that, you'll have to tap on private DNS, that is the last option, and by default it will be selected to automatic, but you'll have to tap on private DNS host provider host name. Then you'll have to tap on this keypad and you'll have to type dns.adguard.com, then hit save, and it will block all the ads that have been shown on your device, and they are very irritating. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.